let's get started. I'm gonna be spreading butter onto the bread, but you can choose margarine as well. I just use butter because I happen to have a lot of butter in my fridge. Next, we're gonna slice the ham and cheese. When picking out the ham and cheese, it's better if you find something that's similar to the size of your bread so that it's easier for you to make the checkerboard pattern. And then we're gonna put the ham onto the bread. We're gonna start making the checkerboard pattern. I think it's just better if you watch the video because it helps to explain how to do it. Okay, it's going into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Yay! And there you have it. You have checkerboard toast for breakfast. Thank you for watching. If you've liked this video, please subscribe to my channel.